So,
Wait,
you know, how's it going in your state right now, guys? Because in mine, it's freaking having a blizzard over here.
got some thunder snow going on.
Oh, that's my mom, by the way. Mom, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
And say hi to my, like, one viewer that actually...
Hi, one viewer.
Okay, yeah,
Look at this, buddy. It's like white out conditions.
Yeah,
This is
it's snowing.
crazy.
It's snowing pretty bad here, so,
Tell them we haven't had snow all season.
seriously, we haven't. This is, like, the one time, I guess, like, the clouds were just saving it up and saving it. Oh, it's blowing up the top of that building. Well, I mean, that's like, oh, gee.
Oh my gosh, are you getting this on video?
I'm getting it, Mom. Accompanied with like the 20-mile-an-hour winds. This is not. Oh well. I'm gonna have to end this video here. It's snowing. It's snowing pretty bad. I'll pick up if it gets better or worse. And we can't even see in front of us.
My God.
Okay, I'm telling you, it looks better on the camera, but oh my gosh, it's terrible.
This is like white out conditions.
It is white out. So, I'm sorry for making this little stupid garbage video for just a minute and 26 seconds of wasting your time. I'm going to end it here. Captain Waddles 11 signing off.